Today, I've just heard the news from TV3 that they said the sea defense at is
Yes,
it
yes.
Keta? Or where?
Yeah, yeah.
Please.
100
Coast
houses have
South.
been submerged. Yeah.
Oh, really? So it's true.
Oh, yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true.
Oh, so then I'm pleading the Speaker of Parliament that the money that they are spending at home today,
Yeah, but that's
they
serene.
should also, yes, they should also think about our brothers at Keta and trying to do something. And also, the money that they want to go and spend at Hajj, yes, indeed, my brother have said it all. They should also think about not like Ghanaians at Keta, that the sea is also taking everything that we have worked for. So they should go and stop the sea. Me, that is my point. My next
Yeah, Mayor.
You see, a report can be big, and I think I missed that out, and I want to associate myself with him.
Okay.
Can be about near courses here a work to South,
Okay, yeah.
Amochino, stroke,
Yeah.
Salakope, what is happening over there. I'm so surprised that as of today, it's been almost 2 weeks and still counting. The Honorable Dzifa Gomashi has not come openly to talk about the tidal wave that has claimed over 200 households.
So 100 cries, it was more. I had 100.
It's more
But
than 100.
200.
It's more
Wow.
than 100. And it is still counting.
Tell it the
I
devastation
don't
is
know
serious.
if you I don't know as of today if you've seen the devastating aspect of the tidal waves.
Yeah.
And you see, it looks like anytime there is this tidal waves, the quickest thing we can do is to go and give them a bag of rice, mosquito nets,
Pillow,
buckets,
bucket.
pillow, and mattress.
Hey,
I
Ghana.
recall in this country when Dzifa Gomashi was bastardizing the Akufo-Addo government, that because it is not their stronghold, they are refusing to come and put up
The sea
the sea
defense.
defense wall. Today, it is their government that is in power. And what are they doing? That is why this evening I made a post on TikTok. The hypocrisy of the NDC is the one causing the downfall of development in the Volta region. That the hypocrisy of the NDC is the one causing the downfall of development in the for development for the Volta region. The reason being that if you have the likes of Dzifa Gomashi and Gakpe, who is the Keta MP, who knows very well that in the next 2 days the sea will wash the only road that links between Aflau to Keta and Loga and its enclave. They are sitting there. They want people to lose their lives before they now come and be shouting on TV3. And another devastating issue is that the likes of TV3, that has become their main media house, speaking for them, will send their so-called arsenals over there, will be walking in the water and be, bastardizing the government. The whole world must see what the Akufo-Addo government is doing. And I am Kukiti. I am live for this today. Their mouths are sealed because they have doubled their salary every month. What TV3 was paying them, they are being paid times 2 of that. This is arrant nonsense, and I'm so sad and so angry in myself that our own Voltarians are the one causing the downfall of the region as far as the development of the region is concerned, because we cannot speak out. When you speak out, they say, are you not a member of NDC? Why are you speaking against your own government? And I am sure that the youth of those areas, they must begin to learn and understand that their leaders within those areas are the one causing the tidal wave to come into their houses. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mayor. For you, I'll send it to you so that it must go far. Right. Before Godfather comes in, today I was reading something when Orimpong mentioned the gun and the fishing harbor, the landing site. Then I remembered what I read. I read how some women at the coastal areas have to sleep with fisher folks just in exchange for fish. Fish, oh. So some of our mothers will go to the seaside with their pants that they are going to buy fish. They don't have money, so they have to give their bodies out to the fishermen who are coming, so that they sleep with them. Then after sleeping with them, they get fish so that they can come home and come and sell. And these are people who were saying that a free senior high school, we can pay for our children. They are not getting proper food, though. But they will go and sleep with fishermen just to have fish. Interesting days ahead. And is you, Ghana. That's what I'm saying, that we must get a political leader who has the love for the nation and a heart for the people, like Akufo-Addo or Akufo-Addo Promas. Otherwise, we will keep on going backward, and one day we will all have to come and sit down and say, can we just sell this nation?
The important thing is your baby are also dependent. So I don't know. Say, can read through it and see? No, he's doing
the way things are going. One day we might just have to decide to operate a federal system where every region will become a state and will be independent. So that if you want to be foolish, you be foolish with your governor there, and then you will you will be dying in hunger. And some of us, we can transfer ourselves to other regions because enough is enough. Godfather, good evening. Godfather, are you there? Oh, so what's happening? Godfather, I think Godfather's network.
The network,
yes. All right. So today I don't intend to spend too much. Okay, Godfather, are you back?
Yes, he's back. Yeah, he's back.
Yeah, were you calling me?
Yes, I was. You are welcome.
I was moving from placement out, so the networks were changing from Wi-Fi to the normal one on the phone. So that was why.
All right. So good evening.
Evening, my brother.
Your friends in the NDC, they are finding all ways to create portfolios that did not exist. The latest we are hearing is that Jocelyn Dumas has been appointed as a deputy director for diaspora affairs, and I believe these are the presidency. In your view, NDC that was claiming that Akufo-Addo came to appoint excessively, they are doing the Promas version. Is this what Ghanaians voted for? You have 6 minutes, please.
You see, I think I've said this over and over. When Akufo-Addo government came, and then they were saying
you can speak here.
In the first year Akufo-Addo first term, no, on the ministers ne do also pa.
Yeah.
And then people were complaining. But what they did not know was that those number of ministers, the cost on those ministers, no, lower than the previous government.